In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ChatGPT and start a new chat. To begin, open the ChatGPT login page in your web browser. Make sure you're on the official sign-in page so the process is secure and everything works correctly. This is the page where you'll access your account and continue to the main ChatGPT interface. Once the page has loaded, click on the Log In button. This will take you to the Sign In screen, where you can choose the method you want to use to access your account. Take a moment here to select the same option you originally used when creating your account, because that will help avoid login issues. You'll usually see different sign-in choices, such as using your email address, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. Choose the option that matches your account. If you signed up with email, select the email option. If your account is connected to Google or Microsoft, choose that matching provider instead. This is important because using a different method may not open the account you expect. After choosing your sign-in method, enter your login details. If you're using email, type in your email address and password carefully. If you're signing in through Google or Microsoft, follow the prompts from that provider to continue. Be sure to enter your information accurately to avoid delays. If needed, double check for typing mistakes before moving on. In some cases, you may be asked to complete a verification step. This could be something like confirming your identity, approving a prompt, or entering a code sent through your selected login provider. If that happens, simply follow the instructions on the screen and complete the verification before continuing. This extra step helps protect your account and is a normal part of the sign-in process. Once that's done, wait a few moments for ChatGPT to open your account. After the system finishes loading, you should arrive at the main ChatGPT home screen. If the page takes a little time, that's completely normal, especially depending on your browser or internet connection. After you've logged in successfully, you can start a new chat. Look for the option to begin a fresh conversation and select it. This opens a blank chat where you can type your first prompt and begin using ChatGPT right away. And that's it. You've now logged into ChatGPT and started a new chat successfully.